Hello my dear students, welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Primer, Chapter 6, Vowel Sound of U. Speak loudly. Rug, jug, mug. Sun, bun, run. Hut, nut, shut. Duck, truck, pluck. Read aloud with vowel U. Fun, run, bun, gun. Rub, tub, cub, hub. Hug, rug, bug, mug. Dumb, jump, bum, stump. Learning skills. Ugh, jug, plug, dug, mug, rug, hug. Run, sun, bun, gun, fun, done. Uck, truck, buck, duck, huck, pluck, pluck. Clump, dump, hum, jump, lump, drum. Gum, mum, sum, hum, plum, drum. Hut, cut, butt, nut, spurt, strut. Up, cup, pup, sup, yup, gup, nup. Blue, flew, flew, glue, true, grew. Let's do the exercise. A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. The sun is hot. A boy is standing outside a hut. He has a toy gun. He is running after a hen. He is eating a bun. He is having fun. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. The duck is in the pond. Do not pluck the flowers. A cat is on the rug. Do not run. I hope you enjoy learning.